everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study how to write an equation. Okay, the first problem, the sum of two numbers is 85. How to write the equation? First, we have to write a representation. This representation is the idea so that we can assign to a certain variable so that we can identify the variable. That's why we have let x be the first number and y be the second number. And then after that, we can make now our equation. Then we're going to read again the problem. The sum of two numbers is 85. Since we're assigned that the two numbers is x and y, so our equation is x, then the word sum means plus, y equals 85. So that's the equation now. Okay, next problem, number 2. Jasmen age is 4 more than twice Karen's age. So to make an equation, we have to write the representation. And let x be the Jasmen's age and y be the Karen's age. Then read again the problem. Jasmen age is 4 more than twice Karen's age. So since Jasmen is x, so we are going to substitute the word Jasmen equals x, and this is equivalent to equal, then 2 more than twice the current age. So since current is y, so we write 2y, then when you say more than means plus. That's why our equation is x equals to 2y plus 4. Okay, number 3 problem. Karen age 4 years ago is the same as Jasmen's age 2 years from now. And this problem, we have to determine, when we say ago means minus, and if this is future, so we're going to add. And then we will make a representation. We're going to assign for the value of x and y. So let x be the present age of Karen and y be the present age of Jasmen. Then let's go back again to read the problem. Karen age 4 years ago. So Karen 4 years ago. So Karen is x. Then 4 years ago. So we are going to minus. That's why our equation is x minus 4. Then is equivalent to equals is the same as Jasmen's age 2 years from now. So we're assigned, based on the representation, the Jasmen is the y, then from now, so that is future, so that's y plus 2. So our equation is x minus 4 equals y plus 2. Okay, number 4 problem. The difference of two numbers is 25. How to make the equation? First, we have to write our representation. And our representation, again, we have to assign the x and y in order to recognize the first number and the second number. So in our representation, let x is the first number and y is the second number. Then the equation, we're going back to number 4, we have to read again. The difference of two numbers is 25. When you see difference, it is minus, is equals to 25. So the two numbers, of course, the x and y. That's why our equation is x minus y equals 25. Okay, number 5 problem. In a sports meeting, twice the number of girls present diminish the number of boys present by 10. So in this problem, when we see diminish means it's minus. Then after that, upon recognize those words, and we have the given girls and boys. So representation, of course, let x be the number of girls and y be the number of boys. And then go back again to the number 5 problem. We have to read in a sports meeting twice the number of girls. So since our girl is x, the word twice means 2, double. That's why our equation is 2x. Diminish means minus. We have to write the subtraction minus, then minus sign. Then the number of boys present by 10. So the number of boys is assigned in our representation is y. So that's why our equation is 2x minus y. Then present by 10. So this is equivalent to equals. So our final answer now is 2x minus y equals 10.